This video I am going to show you how to calculate Uber Eats tax. Whether you deliver for Uber Eats and others as a side hustle or it's one of your main sources of income, there always comes a time when you have to address the elephant in the room. To calculate the taxes, we're gonna use a third-party website which is Tax Scouts. On this site, you can calculate your Uber Eats tax by adding your income and adding your expenses, and it will give you instant tax estimate. To do that, head to taxscouts.com and then add your income, then your expenses, and then press calculate, and it will show you all the tax results on Uber Eats using this site. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.